Hey, your man, ekene m unu. Ekene m gị bụ onye Igbo na-ege m ntị. Ana m ekene gị, na-ekene ezumezu mmụọ gị na ha so. Tata bụ Orie. A na-asị ka Orie retara anyị ndụ, ka Orie retara anyị udo, ka Orie retara anyị agamnihu, ka Orie retara anyị ihe akụ akụ, ihe enwe enwe. Orie retara anyị udo obi n'iru, udo obi n'azụ. Ka chi anyị na ezumezu mmụọ niile anyị na ha so gbara anyị izuzo ndụ, gbara anyị izuzo udo, izuzo arụ isi ike, ihe akụ akụ, ihe enwe enwe. Abịara egbu anyị gbuo onwe ya. Onye sikwa na anya ya akwara onye ahụ ya etere. Ihe m na-agọ n'isi anyị bụ udo, agamniru, ndụ, arụ isi ike, akara aka udo, akara aka agamniru. Tata bụ Orie na Afọ na Nkwọ na Eke na Afịa na-anọ n'ụbọchị na-anọ ise. Ana m ekene ụmụ Igbo. Afa mbụ Nwaada Gbarọma Ụzọ Mmiri. Abụ m onye mgbasa oziọma ọdịnala Igbo, bụrụkwa dibịa Igbo. Akwụkwọ m onye isi nchụaja na Gbarọma ọdịnala Spiritual Temple nke dị n'Enugu steeti. Tata asị m ka m jiri ohere a wee wepụtakwa ntụziaka gbasara ihe ọdịnala Igbo, gbasara okwu ndị mbụ na ndị egede bụ ụzọ ndụ, bụ usoro ndị nna nna anyị ha sobe wee nweta ndụ, nweta ogologo ndụ na arụ isi ike. Ihe m bịara ịkọwa tata wụ the fact that you must know about the powers with you. Ihe wu iwu bụ eziokwu, nke bụ iwu wụrụ eziokwu ị kwesịrị ịma gbasara mmụọ gị na ha so. The first successful key to ọdịnala bụ understanding the power that be. That is the first successful thing. Understanding them on your own, by yourself, allowing them to come closer to you, allowing yourself to be open for them to come closer to you is the important thing. Onye ọbụla bụ onye ọdịnala kwesịrị ime gịnị? Ịma. Knowing how to manifest your power, knowing how to practice your power, knowing how to approach the forces with you is very, very important in ọdịnala. Ihe o ji wee dị mkpa wụ nọ naanị onye kpuru isi ka a na-eji mkpọrọ edugharị mgbe ọbụla. Onye kpuru isi eji enwere steji a ya ejiri mkpọrọ wee dugharịwa ya, enwere steji ọ ya eru. The person chi ya mere ya mara ofu ụzọ, the person needs that guide a na-enye ya. So when you allow yourself ka akpọ gị ka onye kpuru isi all the time, it means that you are going to make a lot of mistakes. Yes, because at times what your own spirit is telling you might not be what that person in the nagara anya ga na-agwa gị. Maka na onye nwere ike ọ na-agwa gị okwu based on ihe mmụọ nke ya na-agwa ya. Onye nwere ike ọ na-agwa gị okwu based on maybe need disturb ọ na ya too much, ka ọ just release gị ka hapụ ya ka o mebe ihe ọ na-eme. I'm not saying that it is not good for somebody to someone for guide, but at least you should have that one-on-one communication with ndị gị na ha so. Ana m ekene Dumbiri Ezike, ehihie ọma maazị. Ndewo, kene dịrị Chukwu okike abịama. Maazị Ugwu anyị Chibụzọ, ehihie ọma, ndewo. Kedu maka ndị be gị? Eunice, ehihie ọma, ndewo. Biko anyị echefukwala onwe ajụjụ anyị nwere gbasara ihe ọbụla na-agbagoju anyị anya n'ọdịnala Igbo. Biko ka anyị kaba arụ wee jụọ anya so that na-emechapụrụ ana topic anyị banyere, anyị eme gịnị, anyị bido zawa question one after the other. Ọ bụrụ na o nwere ajụjụ ị nwere ịjụ gbasara ihe ọbụla n'ọdịnala Igbo, ịjụọ m ya, you just type it down so that ndị are ready for question and answer. Ndị are ready for question and answer, I will just attend to that question. So ihe m na-achọ ịkọwa bụ na enwere ọtụtụ mmụọ anyị na ha so bi ụwa. O nwere ọtụtụ mmụọ ndị ichie signed mmadụ, and na enwere ọtụtụ mmụọ that we cannot run away from, no matter how hard we try. No matter how we try to run away from them, we cannot run away from them. You understand? I'll just use the example of ndị nwere ọkpụkpọ oku. I'll just use the example of ndị nwere ọkpụkpọ oku. In anyị for that now, ọwụ na ị nwere ọkpụkpọ oku. Maybe they have told you in the church, or maybe in Igarafa, they told you in Oku. My sister, my brother, the best thing you can do to yourself or for yourself, embrace them. Nimo wegi. Sincerely, you accept them sincerely from your heart. You understand? Because running away from Umogi na hassle, running away from Umogi na hassle will never end you good. It will never, ever, ever, ever end you good. Ọ bụrụ na ọmụmụ efere na ngwurube nna gị bụ ihe bịa chịrị aka wee chere gị si gị na ọ chọrọ something n'aka gị, you don't run away from them. And one thing that people don't know about ọrụ mmụọ a na-arụ, one thing ndị mmadụ na-amarọ about ọrụ mmụọ mmụọ dịka mmadụ ịchịkwa mmụọ ya na ya, so it's not a one-time thing. Onye si gị that it is a one-time thing, that person is deceiving you, or maybe that person is trying to tell you that thing that you want to hear. Because a lot of people na abụ ha na-eje na nke onye amụma ma onye dibịa, you understand, ha na-enwe ha na-ebu n'obi. If you don't tell them that thing that they have in mind, that thing that they want to hear, they will never believe anything that you are saying. Maybe that person that is going to tell you that that person is only but deceiving you. That person is only but lying to you. That person is trying to just get you closer first. It's just like in the engineer contractors. If you have built a house before, you understand what I'm saying. If all your engineer or your contractor say, yeah, check how many pieces of block or number of block you get you with dono, or you get you with rono, you know, that is in the private can they quick ha. Yeah, game what cano 3,000 block or garoya has again or 1,500. They are trying to commit you. Because he had a clue that when they tell you the truth that this is the total amount, at least or my have bagotegodo of ma to hear that thing that in wake also because in wake low cost. They say that nayanwa they waste material. You understand it? Sometimes they will tell you that don't worry, heaven. Listen, the work of a dibia or Onyolu is to bring your force closer to you. The work of a dibia is to bring that spirit closer to you. The work of a dibia is to reconcile you with that spirit. The work of a dibia, Ibuko. You understand? Already dibia we Ibuko, Imudo. The work of a dibia is to reconcile you with that spirit. It is not the duty of a dibia to do what? To continue to feed you that power or that oracle or that spirit with you for you. You understand? Your dibia or your ezenwai or whatever can reconcile you with your chi, can reconcile you with your onyiwa, can reconcile you with arusibenna, nikune mondi iche, mondi miri. But the ability of maintaining your relationship with them lies in your hands. Take it or leave it. The ability of maintaining your relationship with them lies in your hand. The duty of a dibia is to bring them closer to you, because because maybe that spirit have waited for us to identify them. That spirit have waited for us to recognize them. We are not recognizing them. We are not identifying them. They decided to go. And remember, before any spirit can come to you and tell you that you need to appease me, there is good thing coming your way that spirit wants to help you to perfect it in order to manifest. Or there is a bad thing on your way that spirit wants to push it away. You understand? Or the kind of life, the kind of negative life we have lived have attracted negative energies to us. The kind of things we engage ourselves into, the kind of business we do, the kind of life, the lifestyle that we live, many times have drive away the good spirit with us and now brought negative spirit upon us. So the duty of a dibia, is to do what? To reconcile you with that spirit. You should not give dibia ihe na abụrụ ọrụ ya. Dibia cannot do nke na abụrụ ọrụ ya for you to please you. Ma ka inwe ike wee nwụtara ya efi ikwere ya na nkwa, ma inwe ike wee go ya moto. No. The ability to maintain that relationship is in your hands. The ability to maintain that relationship with Ginamu in your hands. How do you do it? How you do it is that you make it as a function. You make it a responsibility by gini ikpokuha. Even if you don't have gin, or you don't have cola where you are, or you don't even have alligator pepper, or you don't have nzu, or you don't have edo. Don't you have water? Don't you know that spirits drink water? Don't you know you can even use water to pray to your forces and they will answer you, they will grant you your heart's desire. If you have committed an abortion, or you have slept with somebody's wife, or you have slept with your blood relative, or as a married woman, you have slept outside your marriage, then you went to a dibia for spiritual work, and maybe the person now told you there is an abomination on your path that you need to do cleansing first before any spiritual work can be done for you. Then after doing it, you now say that dibia have done work for me for that, and you return back to that thing. You know, go tomorrow and more. Tomorrow you say that so and so person have done work for you, but it's not working. What I am telling you is the simple and easy way to activate your power. It is not a must. A lot of us, our spirit forces with us, speaks to us through our mind, through our heart, through our imagination, through our trance, through dream. You understand? It's just that sometimes when you don't understand things, you go for consultation. But I know that a lot of people, sometimes you will just hear one spirit will tell you, why can't you go to your place and do sadaka? Why can't you go home and do sadaka now? Go home and do this, go home and do that, and you just neglect that voice. There is something good or there is a bad thing coming to you at that point, that spirits with you, they are revealing to you that this is what you need to do. So that is why I'm saying that we need to pay attention to our higher selves. Dibia can only do work for you that one time that you paid him. Dibia can only work for you that one time that you paid him. But if a Dibia tells you that every day he's breaking cola for you, every day, he can only do this for some time. And he will now move on. The ability to talk to them 24 hours lies in your hands. Now, when you look at some of our girls, some of our young girls are into hookup. Some of our young girls, when you go to Akuna house, you see them there, living there. Some ran away from their parents' house. Some their parents thought that they are even in the university. Sometimes on our own, or that. Yes, because when somebody on his or her right senses, nobody no his or her right senses, there is a spirit that have taken over these people. There is an angry spirit, an aggressive spirit that have taken over these people, controlling their lives, controlling everything they do. Even at a time they regret, why am I even doing this? Like some of these guys that are doing lesbianism, when they at times they come and they asking themselves, why am I even doing this thing? What am I even gaining from this thing? But once that spirit comes upon them, if they don't do it, they can never be okay. They can never feel relaxed. The duty of a dibia is to, if it is a bad spirit that is separate you from that bad spirit, it is a spirit that needs settlement and appeasement. They appease, settle that spirit, but the ability of you to maintain that spiritual standard that you are into lies in your hand. The ability of you going higher lies in your hand. The ability of you falling again lies in your hand. It is not the fault of a dibia that is going to work for you, or the fault of a spiritualist that will work for you. Some of us, when you do consultation for us and tell us that we have call, this call of a thing, you will come back. If you don't come back, you will come back crying and begging. No two ways about it. Is there nothing I can do so that they can forget about the call? Is there nothing I can do so that they can leave me? Am I the one that called you? I was not the one that called you. I'm not the spirit that asks you to come and make sacrifice to it. I am not. I'm only a messenger. I only told you what I saw or what I had. You understand? I am not the person calling you. I am not the person. Some will say, I did a Kwemago and it's not working. I did this, I did that. It's not working. If you are supposed to start your call as at 5 years ago, and still now you have not started, you are still looking for excuses to give to them and run away, do you think it will be possible? It can never. It can't be possible. It can't be possible. A lot and so many of us will come to a dibia. I've seen so many people. You tell a dibia that you have accepted to answer your call. That you have accepted to answer your call. No problem. You have accepted to answer your call. And then after doing every spiritual work needed for you, the next thing you will do is that you will start lying for yourself again. You will start lying for yourself again. Tomorrow you will call the DB, I did this, I did that, I did this one, I did that one. See, the fact remains that spirit can never say one and next tomorrow will say two. That is just the fact about this thing that we are doing. Ịmara nke na-agba gị ụgwọ, ịmara nke na-enye gị nsogbu, go and settle it, nye ihe ọ na-achọ. Because ihe anyị nọ na ya kịta wụ ga anwụ. There is no way we can run away from our true identity. There is no way we can run away from our true self. There is no way a black man will rub bleaching cream and remain white. Once he drops from that bleaching cream, he will turn to black again. They won't. Okay, what does it mean to see dog in dream? I keep seeing dog in my dream. Dog means agwo. It's a sign of, it means that you have call. It means that you have call. A sign of agwo. Can someone in protection ritual? Okay, yes. Can somebody do protection ritual more than one time? Of course. Of course. Of course. Can you use Aki Nubitakola to go Gola more in the morning, as in morning libations, if you don't have kola nut? And 2, can you use Unzu that has salt in it, or must it be the plain one? You cannot use Akinu. Okay, you cannot use. Yes, you can use Akinu and Gola more. Yes, you can as well use Unzu. Okay, Unzu. Okay, the one that they are leaking. No, you cannot use that one to pray. The Unzu that they are leaking. No, you cannot use that one to pray. For you that is not around, you look for gin. Look for gin. Go and get gin. Get hot drink and keep. And if you can as well see alligator pepper and gin, it will help you a lot. It will cover most of these things. You understand? Okay. Any other question? Okay. I got chikọta ya ugbu a. Zero m ozi na my WhatsApp number na 07037311663. Ọwụ na ịchọ ka gbara gị afa, na ịchọ ka arụ ọrụ gị ọrụ mmụọ. Ndewo. Ụra nwa mama.